Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. We hope you stay.
And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the continued support. We hope you enjoyed today's video.
We're starting a new vlog. It's Saturday, so we were invited to a listening session.
I'm gonna show you guys like the behind the scenes. We also have like a SHEIN unboxing. So we thought like the SHEIN. Also gonna be showing you guys what we're gonna be wearing. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get on with the SHEIN. What we got came in this box. Yeah. Why not this? What is it? You can't Instagram. Imagine it. I go. I not joke. Handle. Oh, this is the first item. We got this bag because we're gonna be wearing all black type of vibe. So this is the bag. Yeah, imagine it. And then the shoes. It came in this box. It's size 2 UK. Papa gave you hands this. It's like you didn't all start talking about them. So like you don't need. This is the shoe. It's a platform. Yeah, it looks big. Maria we tried it on, so yeah, we like the shoe, the inside. Yeah, I just show guys, but this is the CapCut we got. We're just gonna try it on and see if it works with the outfit. Because we're going for the black look. It's navy blue, so I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, it's cute. 1989. Yeah, and it's good quality. I like them like already. Yeah, it's not. Then we got the blazer. Okay, that's up to the couple. Like in the pictures, it was not this silky. It was not this shiny, but it was light. Like we knew it was light, but we thought it was a light material that is thick. My hair, I bet it's a size. It's a small. Yeah. That's everything that we got from SHEIN. The price. Like we said, we wanted an all black thing. 28. Oh, with them. 1500. So yeah, this is the bag. So let's get ready. Hey guys, so we are back. We just finished getting ready. Margaret was like back and forth on what we should wear, what we shouldn't wear. But we're just wearing this bucket hat. I think you guys know it. And then this is the bag that we just showed you from SHEIN. Very cute bag. Top Mr. Price. Yes. We'll show you guys the from what we're gonna be wearing. Okay, so this is the blazer. It's an oversized blazer, as you can see. We're just gonna, make it however chic you feel like it's gonna work for you. And then this is how long it is. Yeah, if you can like move, so we feel like it works. And then we are wearing our all-time choice clothing jeans. Are wearing these shoes because the Vans thing works with the bucket hat that we'll be having on. So yeah, we think we look cute. It's the end of our OOTD. I hope that gets really small, yeah, because we are going super early at like 1. We have to be there at 1, but the listening session starts at 5. So we're gonna go prepare and like do our role and stuff and see how everything works well together, hence young early. And then we're gonna change out of these clothes and then put them in a bag, go with them. So I guess we'll see you guys when we're at the venue. Yeah.
Yes, you go. You want to hello. I thought we were away.
Situation Nikki's. When I need you guys to kind of sort of MC the event.
Yeah. Yavuga inja yakho na don kamakazi. Ngithetha ngempintshi impontsho msaba ungamazi. Emakushubile bathi sachi scatulu.
But what's it? You sure? I'm not going to let the Shasha Twins. We are kapali umpea no kasi yeah by or we go go for Thank you so much for coming. You guys look great. Now we're gonna formally introduce the people that we are here for. This guy look like a happy developer matter. And then we like question with every section after each more. Isa pela fat. Kiri seat 1 2. Mike ya kay team. Okay. Eret. Itimi.
Are
you colorblind?
I'm not colorblind like you. It's RF mode.
So, now rating.
Are you colorblind? Yo, I just hope we can make this happen.